Hello, we are Toy Stories TV and today we'll look at Fisher-Price Nemo Aqua Park. It is from the Disney Baby series and I really love how colorful it is. It does look like a proper aqua park with octopus swimming on this side, and on this side we have a lot of fish swimming in the water and a big fish and some other sea plants. Also in front it has a seahorse which can click up and down and up and down and up and down. And here we have a sea star. Ooh. Here we have someone else. Hey. Peekaboo, peekaboo. I think this aqua park is also a slide because there's a great water slide on this side. So I'm sure our sea friends would love to slide down. They would love to slide down. And it looks like a door here. I think someone is hiding inside. Oh, that looks like a door. Let me see if I can open it. Who's hiding behind the tortoise? Ha! Look who we have here. Hello, Nemo. Hello. This is our friend Nemo. Nemo. Hello. Nemo loves swimming around the aqua park. And I think Nemo will meet some good friends here. He'll meet the seahorse and the tortoise. What I think Nemo will love to do, he'll love going down the water slide on his back. Whee! And again. Whee! And he'll be swimming around and going again on the water slide. Whee! Hello, my friend Nemo. It's a really nice aqua park, isn't it? Hello. Do you like it here, tortoise? It's really great, isn't it, Nemo? Oh, I would love to go on the slide again. Would you like to join me? Would you like to join me, tortoise? Let's all go together on the slide. Let's all go together on the slide. And woohoo! Well done, Nemo. It's such a lovely day in this aqua park. I really love this toy from Amazing Animals in Disney Baby. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for Toy Stories TV channel for more. Thank you. Bye.